I just recorded the same metal riff through 3 different free amp sims. But here's the catch. I'm not telling you which is which until the very end of this video. I want you to listen to all 3 tones and comment which one sounds the best. I'll also reveal which one I believe is the winner. Let's see if we agree. Before we check out the tones, just some quick context. All 3 tones are completely raw. There is no post-processing on any of them, just the raw tone I was able to dial in on the amp sim. It's the exact same guitar DI for all 3 examples, and I'm using the same free impulse response. So the only difference for all 3 tones is the free amp sim I'm using. All right, let's dive in. Here's tone 1. Listen carefully to the low end tightness, the mid-range clarity, and how the high end cuts through. That's tone 1. Keep that sound in your head. Now here's tone 2. Same riff, same guitar, same playing, only the amp sim changed. Pay attention to how this one handles the palm mutes and how the overall character compares to tone 1. And finally, tone 3. This is the last one. Really focus on which of these 3 has the most professional, usable metal tone. That's all 3. Now it's decision time. Pause the video right now and drop a comment with your choice. Just type tone 1, tone 2, or tone 3. Don't overthink it. Which one sounded the most professional to your ears? I'm revealing the results in about 10 seconds, so this is your last chance to vote before you see the answer. Here's a quick reminder. Tone 1. Tone 2. And tone 3. All right, let's see which amp sim is which. Coming in third place is tone 2, which was the Amplitude free version using the SLD 100 model. Now don't get me wrong, this is still a solid free option, but here's why it came in third. The low end was a bit looser compared to the other 2, and the high end had this slightly fizzy quality that didn't sit as well in the mix. You can hear it especially in the palm mutes. They're not as tight and defined. That said, the free version of Amplitude is incredibly easy to use, and if you're just starting out, this is a great place to begin. You can download it completely free from IK Multimedia's website, link in the description. In second place, we have tone 3, which was the Lepu Lecto plugin. This one surprised me, but Lepu plugins have a cult following in the metal community, and for good reason. The mid-range on this thing is absolutely crushing. It's got that aggressive, in-your-face character that works great for modern metal. The reason I don't have it winning is the high end. It's a bit darker compared to our winner, which means it doesn't cut through a dense mix quite as well. But if you're recording doom metal or sludge where you want a darker, heavier vibe, this is your amp sim. It's completely free, link in the description. And the winner is tone 1, which was the Neural Amp Modeler, also called NAM. This is the newest technology on the list, and it absolutely destroys the competition. NAM uses AI to capture real amp profiles, which means you're getting the most accurate representation of the actual tube amps, completely free. What makes this the winner? 3 things. First, the low end is tight and controlled. Those palm mutes sound punchy without getting muddy. Second, the mids are present without being harsh. And third, the high end has this natural sparkle that cuts through the mix without sounding digital or fizzy. The settings I used here are pretty straightforward. I loaded a Mesa Boogie style capture, kept the gain at 5, and on all 3 tones I used a free IR from Bogren Digital. All of this is linked in the description. If you're serious about getting professional metal tones on a budget, NAM is the move. It's completely free and it sounds better than most of the paid plugins I've used. All right, drop a comment and let me know. Do you agree with me? Were you on team tone 1, 2, or 3? All 3 download links are in the description below, so you can try them for yourself and see which one works best for you and your music. And if you want to learn how to take these tones to the next level with mixing and production techniques, check out this video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.